Hi, my name is Aemon.
And I'm Avery.
And today on Cooking with Aemon and Avery,
we are going to make homemade buffalo wings inspired by Nick DiGiovanni. The first step is to brine the chicken. That's a big piece. First, we will brine the chicken with 2 cups of buttermilk, and some pickle juice.
let the chicken set for 30 minutes. We will add salt, red pepper,
and garlic powder. I think that's good.
then red pepper. How do we open this?
That almost became a disaster.
This is a disaster.
There. Gather all your ingredients. Here we have some hot sauce mixed with some barbecue sauce, just in case you don't like too hot of wings. And then we also have vinegar with Worcestershire sauce.
And I have butter and spices.
We will heat the stove to medium heat and add butter, hot sauce, vinegar with Worcestershire sauce, and our spices. Whisk, and we will whisk it until it's all mixed together. Here. It smells delicious.
We will make the coating for the wings.
First, we will add 1 cup of starch.
Cornstarch.
And then it's a little messy.
I know.
There, that should be enough.
Poof!
Okay.
It like poofed in.
Now you can add the...
Now we will add some salt. And now we will add some garlic powder.
There. I will add some onion powder. Some red pepper. and some pepper. You can always add more. Just give a little. No. Sorry, it's making a mess. Roll the chicken in the coating. And put it on the pan. There. It might be a little messy, but that's okay. And we are done for now. We are going to air fry the chicken till crispy. We will put the chicken in the bowl, then cover it with sauce. These are nice and crispy, aren't they? Can I put the sauce on? You should taste your food when you are done cooking. I like it. Oh, very good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.